One point I want to bring up with you, Eric and O'Neill and Bradley, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, there was some talk or debate as to whether or not he should have been included in the Swedish team for this World Cup finals. But you got the impression they didn't want him. They said he's individualistic. The coach said if Zlatan wants to be a part of this, he should call me. Then you had a couple players, the reserve goalkeeper, saying, let's leave him alone. Don't bring in this man to destroy or disturb the chemistry which is existing at the moment.
Well, Ibrahimovic loves the attention, as many star players, and that's why he kept on in the media mentioning things about it. But as a team, if you're trying to prepare for a World Cup and you lose such a big player like Zlatan, you're going to focus on that and mention it and say, hey, without him, we can still win. We're going to gel something, and we're going to play from our strengths. So your focus starts going towards the strength as a team without Zlatan. Mm-hmm. So then later in the whole qualification round, if he should come back, you would have to mess up your whole chemistry that you've been working on and the game plan.
Well taken penalty there by the Swedish captain this morning. Eric, would you have included Zlatan though? And if you would have done so on the backup ward?
As I say, if it would have been 2016 and he said, I'm still going on until, you know, whenever I can play and I'm a value to the team, of course I would have included him.
But not now?
Not this far after he, you know, takes a step back and then all of a sudden now when you come close to the World Cup, he wants to be a part of it again. I think it's the right decision.
Also the issue of or the situation with chemistry, I think that is really paramount to a team going forward. Individually, there's no questions. Zlatan is one of the best in terms of being a front man. Age, slightly a factor, but he has quality as he's transitioned to the MLS, and you saw that. But if the team in and of itself, similar to Messi with Argentina, if the focal point is on this particular play, it might disrupt the way the team wants to go forward. And you cannot have that, especially, as Eric mentioned, at this juncture. Sweden needs to go forward with the sum of their parts as opposed to focusing on the individual.